Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, you have done your previous work. All of you. Students, you know very well that you are now in grade 3. And grade 2, you learn subtraction with borrow and simple. Remember? Up to 3-digit number. And the previous lecture, we also revise simple subtraction. And you people solve the question in your rough notebook. You people solve question in your rough notebook. All of you. So move towards the next part of the subtraction with borrow. Okay, how can we subtract with borrow? Student, some of the bright one. Students are confused in borrow question. Look at the board. A few example of borrow question. We solve this question and how can we borrow a number from the next door? Okay, look at to the board. Student, here are 3 examples. First question is 6745 minus 5838. This is the first question. Okay, and no, you look, it's first we start subtraction from the ones digit. We start subtraction from the ones digit, from your right side. Now look into the first digit. Can you subtract 8 from 5? Can it possible? Can it possible, student? You people simply subtract 5 from 8, which is totally wrong. When you look the question and you just subtract 5 from 8, you subtract smaller number from the greater number. This is not the way to solve the question. The proper way to solve the question, we subtract lower number from the upper one. So you subtract 8 from 5, not 5 from 8. This is totally wrong. And some of our genius students do like this. They subtract 5 from 8, which is totally wrong. Okay, so we can't subtract 8 from 5. What can we do, student? Yeah, we borrow 1/10 from the next door. From the next door. We subtract 1/10 from the next door. Next door means the next one value, place value of the digit, of the number. The next one value of ones is tens. So we borrow 1/10 from the tens. Look at here. This is 5. This is 5 and we borrow one number from this. It's 4. So here it's remain 3. We subtract, we remove 1 from 4. It's become 3. And this number is 15 ones. No, this is 15 ones. You solve in class 2. You solve such a question in class 2. Remember, student, in here it's remain 3. So now you can easily remove 8 from 15. 8 ones from 15 ones. So remove, hurry up, subtract. Subtract, you can easily draw line or with mental. That's good. Those students who do this question mentally, subtract mentally. Okay, so you can easily draw 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We remove 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means when we remove 8 from 15 ones, 8 ones from 15 ones, 7 ones are remain. 7 ones are remain means 7 is the answer. Now we move towards the tens digit. Look at, you can subtract 3 from 3. You can subtract 3 from 3. Look at 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3 means we remove 3 from 3. Answer is great. 0. Answer is 0. Now move toward the hundreds digit. The hundreds digit. Again there is 7. You subtract 8 from 7. Take out 8 from 7. Can it possible? No, not like this. You subtract 7 from 8. No, student. I already said that I already told you that we subtract the lower number from the upper one, not the upper one from the lower one. This is totally wrong. You subtract 8 from 7, not 7 from 8. If you can't subtract, what you can do? What you can do? Yeah, got it. We borrow from the next door. From the next one place value, which is the next door of 100 is 1000. The next door of 100 is 1000. So, we borrow 1. Here is 7. And if we borrow 1000, it's remain 5. And here is 1700. 1700. It means 1700. Okay. And here 5 left. Okay. If we remove 1 from 6. 1 from 6. 1 is borrow here. Okay. Now you can easily subtract 8 from 17. Okay. We can easily subtract. Remove 8 from 17. After 8 count up to 17. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many digits? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, when we remove 8 from 17, answer is 9. Answer is 9. Answer is 9. Good. Now, we move towards the hundreds digit. We move towards the 100 digit, 1000 digit, sorry. We remove 5 from 5. Same number, cancel each other. Same number, cancel each other. Means 0. When we subtract same number, same digit from each other, the answer is always 0. Like here, 3 minus 3, 0. Again, 5 minus 5, 0. Got it? Got it, student? No. Move toward the next example. Move towards the next example. Again, look at to the ones digit. Look at to the ones digit. It's ones digit again 6. Can you remove 9 from 6? Students, you are in a store. How can you buy a thing if you have nothing? You have less number. You have less money. Here is 6. You first borrow, then you can buy something. Okay, so 6, borrow from the next door. Its next door is tens again. Its next door is tens. So we borrow here. 110. How much? 110. There is 6. If we borrow 110, it's total 16 tens. How many tens? 16 tens. And here is 3 tens left. Because we remove 1 from 4. We remove 1 from 4. We give 1 to the ones. Okay. So, remove 9 from 16. 9 from 16. Hurry up. Count it. After 9 up to 16. How many digits come? Hurry up. Yeah, great. 7. That's good. Now, move towards the tens one. Move towards the tens one. Again, here is 3. We remove 5. Can you remove 5 from 3? Can it possible, student? You remove 5 from 3. This is possible? No, this is not possible. Genius one. So, again, what we can do? Oh, you here borrow? To the next door? Like this? You people do like this. This is correct, student? No. Here is, look at to the 100 digit. There is already 0. How can you borrow? How can you take 100 from here? This is possible? No, no, student. This is not possible. You first look at to this number. Look at to this number. There is already 0. You can't borrow. Okay. You can't take 1 from here. 100 from here. This 100 ones digit first borrow to the next door. What he do? He borrow from the next door. Like here. It is 10 and here he borrowed it's 7. Remains 7. No. If this one 10 easily help to the tens column. It's easily help to the tens column and you people easily borrow. You people easily borrow from the 100 like this. No, it's 9 because 10 gave 110 to here. So it become 13. No, it become 13 tens. And here, how much are left? How many hundreds are left? 9. How many hundreds are left? 9. So remember student, when you cross the 0, it's always become 9. Got it? When you cross the 0 means here you cross the 0. You give the borrow to the tens one. Here the 9, there is no 10, there is 9. So when you cross the 0, it always be 9. When you cross the 0, it always be 9. Okay, now subtract. Subtract 5 from 13. Hurry up student. After 5 count up to 13. 5 here, 5 and 10, 11, 12, 13. How many numbers? 8. Great. Now look at to this column. Already you can subtract 6 from 9. You can? Yeah, great. How many numbers are left? How many digits? 3. And 7 from 7. Again same digit. In same digit we cancel. Let's cancel each other and answer is 0. So we will subtract 7,659 from 8,046. The answer is 387 and this answer is called difference. This answer is called difference. Oh, look at to the next example. Oh, tough. What can you do here? 9,000 minus 5,624. Oh, 30. What can you do, student? How can you solve? From 0, you subtract 4. 4? Like this? No, student, not like this. Again, you do the mistake. You are wrong. We can't subtract 4 from 0. And we can't subtract 4 from 0. You people do like this. You subtract 0 from 4. This is wrong. You follow the wrong way. Again, you subtract lower from the upper, not upper from the lower number. Remember? So this is not possible. What can you do, student? Think. What can you do? Student? Here. Yeah. This one is here. Borrow from tens. Once borrow from tens. Cannot possible. There is already 0. No. It's not possible. Look at to the 100. This one digit. Look at to the 100. They borrow from the next door. This next door is 100. Move toward your right side, left side, not to the right one. Okay. Look at to the next door. And next door digit is already 0. Oh, can't help. Oh. Move to the next door. Its next door is 1000. Here is 9. Great. So, 9 we take out 1 from the 9. Remove 1 from the 9. It is 8. Now, in the previous question here, we learn when you cross the 0, it becomes 9. You cross the 0. Here it is 10, but when we cross it, tens already needs help. We give tens, we give 100 to the tens. Tens needs borrow. So we cross this number. When we cross this number, it becomes 9, and here the number is 10 because there is 0 and you carry 100. It is 10. Again, follow the first one rule. You cross the number. You people cross the 0. When you cross the 0, there is 9, not 10. Got it? Got it? Again, here is 9, not 10. Because you cross this 0 and here it is 10. Here it's 10. Okay, when we stop at 0, it becomes 10. When we stop, here we stop. There is no more place values. At once is the starting value. So we stop at once. So when we stop at once, it's 0 anywhere in the place values. But when we stop at me, then 0 is 10. But when we cross the 0, it is 9. Okay? No, not it is 10 left. Now you can easily remove 4 for 10. Hurry up. 6, great. 2 from 9, speed up. After 2, count up to 9. How many numbers? How many digits? 7. And 6 from 9 again. 3, great. And 5 from 8. 3. Got it? Got it, student? Okay, again, look at the board. How can we solve question for borrow? You people, and different questions are given in the paper or anywhere. You people first look at the question. Either we solve directly or not. If you solve the question directly, that's good. If not, it's mean you borrow some numbers to the next door. Like this, here is 6,745 and we subtract 5,833. 5. We can't subtract 8 from 5 because 8 is greater and 5 is less. So we borrow from the next door. Borrow means udhar lena. Okay. It's borrow means it's borrow 110. Here is 15 ones and we subtract 8 ones from the 15 ones. Answer is 7. In the tens column when we move here 3, we remove 3 from 3 easily. Same number, cancel each other and answer is 0. We move towards the hundreds. Again in 100 there is 7. We can't subtract 8 from 7. 8 is greater and 7 is less. We need borrow. That's why we move to the 1001 and we take 1000 from the 1001. So it is 1700. So we subtract easily 8 from 17. Answer is 9. Now in the 1000 column there is we take 1 from the 6. 5 is left. When we remove 5 from 5, answer is 0. And this answer is called difference. And the next example, again, there is problem in the ones column. We can't remove 9 from 6. So we take borrow from the next door, from the next place value, which is tens. Okay, 16 can't jump up to 100. He take help from the 6. Take help from the next door. Its next door is tens. Remember. So, at 16, again 3 is left. Okay, we can't subtract 5 from 3. So 3 also need help. He take borrow from its next door, which is 0. 0 can't help. Can't. 0 mean nothing. So, this is totally wrong. It's you people make here 13. Okay. And here no number, no digit. You people borrow first before you spend. You borrow first before you spend. If you go to the shop and you have no money, how can you buy something, student? So borrow first. This one 0. Borrow from the 1000 column. He said just wait. This one 0 said 100. Wait, I have nothing. I can't help you. First he borrow. He borrowed from the next door, which is 1000. This number is become 10, and not 10 can easily help to the tens ones. So he helped, and it's become 13. Okay. So we can easily remove 5 from 13, which is 8. Clear? Now, I already said, when you cross the 0, means 0 help any next one door, next one digit. So it becomes 9. Here 9 left, we remove 6 from 9, answer is 3. And same number again, cancel each other and answer is 0. At the last question, so many 0. Okay, what you can do like this question. Remember students, this last question is very important for you people. Think about it. Okay, here again 0. I already say, if you have no money, you can do nothing. You can buy nothing. First, you people borrow. Okay, so once borrow from the next door is already empty. 0, nothing, can't help, said. Next door. So tens, move to the next door. Please help me. Give me some money. I help the ones. I help the tens. But 100 is already 0. Nothing. Can't help. So move to the next door. Move to the next door. It's 1000. 1000 number help. 100 it's 10, and we already say when we cross the 0 it's become 9. So again we cross the 0, it become 9. Remember this one point student, there is not 10. When we cross a 0 it become 9, and when we stop at 0, here we stop at is 10. So we remove 4 from 10, it's 6, 2 from 7, 2 from 9, 7, and 6 from 9 is 3, and again 5 from 8, 3, 4. We remove 4 from 10, 6, 2 from 9, 7, 6 from 9, 3, and 5 from 8, 3. Clear student? Now move toward your homework. Now can you easily solve these questions? Move toward your homework. Okay? Your homework is do exercise 2.5. Question 1, 2, 3 means only 3 questions. Book page 41, table 2 to 5. You people write table 2 to 5 on rough copy. Okay. Plus table 2 to 5 means tables are not in written form, not today in oral form. Okay. Students, open your book, page number 41, exercise 2.5. You solve these 3 questions. Okay. In your you people solve these 3 questions in your rough notebook. Okay, copies these questions and solve it. Clear students? And you people enjoy the video and the second part. Okay.